Infinix Hot 50i launches with MediaTek Helio G81 SoC. After the silent launch of the Infinix Smart 9 and Infinix Hot 50 4G, the company has unveiled its latest smartphone of the Hot series, the Infinix Hot 50i, in select markets globally. The handset offers a plethora of striking upgrades compared to its predecessor, the Infinix Hot 40i. The Infinix Hot 50i sports a 6.7-inch HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of brightness. It has a hole punch cutout for the selfie shooter, always-on support, and a dynamic bar feature. The device runs on Android 14-based XOS 14.5. The Infinix Hot 50i comes equipped with MediaTek Helio G81 chipset with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of storage. However, with Infinix's MEMfusion RAM feature, the onboard memory can be expanded up to 16GB of storage. Coming towards camera specs, the Infinix Hot 50i features a dual rear camera setup with a 48MP primary sensor with dual flash. It has an 8-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calling purposes. Infinix Hot 50i packs a 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. It also includes dual speakers and an IP54 rated build for dust and water resistance. For connectivity options, the Infinix Hot 50i includes Bluetooth, FM radio, a 3.5mm audio jack, a USB Type-C port, and Wi-Fi 802.11. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The Infinix Hot 50i is available in 4 color variants, including sage green, sleek black, and titanium gray. The 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant is currently available for KES 14,000 in stores in Nigeria, which is equal to 9,129 Indian rupees.